start again. It's a rich thing.
Few moments later.
As you can see here, the green wire is the output wire of the IR sensor, the black wire is the ground of IR sensor, and the red is VCC of IR sensor. You can see here are the output of the USB cable. This is the ground and this is the VCC of the USB cable. The ground is common. The ground of the USB cable is connected with the ground of the motor, which is coming from the switch, and with the ground of the IR sensor. The ground is common, and for the VCC part, the VCC of the motor is connected from the transistor middle pin, and the VCC of the IR sensor is directly connected with the VCC coming from the USB, and this pin of the transistor is directly connected with the VCC from the USB cable. The middle pin is connected from the motor, middle pin of transistor, right? And this pin of the transistor through a 1 kilo ohm resistor is connected to the IR sensor. As you can see, it is dispensing the hand soap in an adequate amount, which is like perfect for washing your hands. See?